Hi guys, Jeff here from TAP. Just want to share a bit of an interesting one with one of the old girls that are in the workshop today. So in the workshop today for a service, we've got this old 2006 Honda CRV. The customer's had it, it's got 234,000 Ks on the clock. So she's one of the old girls, done a lot of driving, a lot of stop starting. Complaining of an intermittent no start on this particular vehicle. Very intermittent, doesn't happen often. She gives the ignition switch a couple of twirls and normally can get the car going. Funny enough, we just hit our TAP website and we found that there is a repair solution on the website for the same model, same symptom in regards to an intermittent no start. And in this case, it was exactly the same problem. So looking at the ignition switch, we're hearing a buzzing noise near the fuse box area in the dashboard, and that's the starter relay. It's not getting a proper signal to actually activate the starter relay on the car, and the contacts inside the ignition switch are starting to burn, obviously just through wear and tear of so many turns to start. So just be wary with some of the older cars you get in your workshop, that they're a different mindset, that we've got to think, okay, they've probably passed their use by date in a lot of cases. The ignition switch has been used constantly over that, nearly 20 years now, etc. And a lot of starts for 237,000 Ks. So keep it in mind. Again, that's a repair solution. Make sure if you remember you're utilising your repair solutions, get onto that website and double check. If you're not a member, you want to get access to those repair solutions, to Tina, our tech, our AI tech, and those many other features on the website, just go to tap.net.au and click on the Join Up Now button. See you next time.